It's Friday night in Kampot. The city glows, the food sizzles, and the riverside comes alive. Come along as we capture the pulse of Kampot after dark. Well, like all cities in Asia, they look much different at night. This one's lit up quite well. It's Friday night, but they do apparently have some kind of light show every single night. So we're gonna see that in about a half hour. Here is the bridge. The city reminds me a little bit of Makassar in Indonesia, lit up along the water. And then there's another city in Malaysia called Malacca that's lit up in the evenings. It's a busy bridge. Seems to be non-stop all the time. Kampot, Cambodia at night.
Con lưng mất nó một con nào này.
Yeah, some will go in it.
Nó
they're fishing right off the side here into the river. They're fishing right here and cooking it right in front of you. There's that clock lit up. That's pretty cool. I think that says welcome to Kampot. Little few lights burnt out. just as I thought, there is a lot of street vendors that come out at night. Oh yeah, yummy crickets. Let's go to the front so we can see what they're selling. So, let's see, fresh fruit, vegetables, crickets, bugs. Roti, these are good. Banana pancakes. Smells pretty good. Sugarcane drink. Coconuts. Fish. More dried fish, seafood, meats. Crab. Noodles. Fresh veggies. All this stuff is all affordable. Dragon fruit. Lemons. I think those are lemons. Hi. Hi. Some of them had the similar things, but that's what's high in demand. And there's some on the other side of the street as well. That's that hotel, the Yellow Hotel. So yeah, things start happening at night. It's pretty safe here too. Cambodia in general seems to be safe. Phnom Penh might be a little bit sketchy, but for the most part, it seems pretty safe. One thing I'll add is when you're paying, and I'll do a little video on the currency because they have their own currency, the Cambodian rial, and they have the American dollar. You can use both of them here, and they divide up quite nicely. So, but when you're paying, most of the time in Siam Reap and in Phnom Penh, you can use your credit card or debit and just tap. But it seems this place here is pretty small, Kampot, and unless it's a franchise or something, they want you to use cash. So if you do come here, best to go to the bank machine and get some cash for your restaurants, massage, hotel I paid credit card with online, but they wanted cash when I got there. So I think if you walk in, you have to pay cash. And of course, all these little street vendors, they're all cash. Let's check out the side streets. See how lively they are at night. I mean, it's certainly no Pattaya in Thailand and or Phnom Penh, but yeah, it's still pretty lively here. If you want to have a few beers and some food. So apparently a lot of people that work online come here as well because it's affordable and you have everything you need really. If you can make a decent income, you live quite well. A lot of teachers, online teachers.